Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammed Farhan and the drug number BCS171025. So I'll be performing DNS analysis and gaining access on googlegruyere.com. So let's cut to the chase and start with the demonstration. So first of all, I'll be using the ns lookup command. So I'll be using ns lookup. It's type mode, and in type we could search anything from like mail exchanger to name server. Anything that you want to find out, you can just use the type command for this purpose. So I'll be using my google dot app spot. As you can see, it has given me the server address as well as the address of the web application, and it has given me several mail exchanger of Google Gruyere appspot.com. As you can see over here, and just like that, I could also change its time from an MX to say like SOA or even name server. So it will give me all the records regarding it as I've shown uh, in the report as well. I have chosen SOA record, so it has given me all the details of the SOA record that from which it has been originated, its mail address, its serial number, its refresh rate, its retry, and its expiry date and minimum amount that can store. So now I'll be going on to the next type that I've chosen for this analysis is the host command. So what actually the host command does, it tells you everything about the host. It's addressed to that gets handled by which port number. So let me type in the command host. So as you can see, it is showing me that that the mail is being handled by port 40 and alternating for 4.gmr stamp in l.google.com. It is giving me all the information that is needed, and it has shown me with two addresses. One is the IPv6 address and the other one is the IPv4 address. And now I'll be using another now I'll show you how we can use the IP address and use the host command together. So let's type in uh, host 216.58.207.20. So as you can see, by just using the command, the host command with the IP address, actually could get it actually displays the domain details of this specific address. So here's the domain name, its pointer, and everything like that. So and now I'm going to use the dash a switch with the host command. So basically, what this dash a is used as a verbal, so you can also use dash w with it. Uh, so let me not use type the whole command in. I'll just use my previous used commands. And as you can see, the process is quite quicker than these previous ones because it rushes into analyzing the whole web application. Okay, so now time to use the dig command. So I'm just going to type in dig dash d for the domain name of dig space dash d for the domain name, and now I'm going to type in google dash gruyere appspot.com. So as you can see, the dig command, what actually does is that it gets the specific records in different ways. As you can see, it is showing plenty of records over here. So it is kind of best approach to be used for analyzing about the whole web application. So now I'm going to use different options for the dig command. Like for instance, I'm going to use, this is a new thing that I learned, that you can use it for finding out whether or not, sorry, uh, this is used so that it could apply queries at the Google CRS. So let me try it out. 8.8.8.8. So this is a Google's name server, over Google's name server, and after this I'll write down the Google Gruyere, sorry, spelling mistake, Google Gruyere dot appspot dot com. Let me give space over here at 8, which I forgot because I was looking at the keyboard. And okay, so now over here it's showing us that which UDP port is running on it, uh, and input type of A, and server is running at port 53, and when it was performed, message size received was 71, and all that information is being shown over here. And now the last thing that I'm going to use is any switch on the dig command. So I'm going to use, instead of typing everything out, I'm just going to remove this switch of at the rate 8.8.8.8, which is obviously of the server of Google. And now I'm going to type in any, which is in all capital. So it would any option will show all the available records, and it would show us in the over here like mail exchanger, 4A's, and that's what it. That is what I've done for the analyzing of the googlegreer.com. And next up, I'm going to be showing you. No, that's about it for the DNS analysis of googlegreer.com. Thank you. Okay, so now I'll be demonstrating you what I did with the gaining access portion of my project. So what I just did, I went to googlegreer.com and I signed myself in. As you can see, my name is written over here. Now what I did, I went to upload. In order to upload my file, uh, for the reflected cross-site scripting attack. So what I did, I selected choose file. I picked up my cross-site scripting attack HTML file. Remember, it's going to run only on HTML file. I've tried doing it with text files, but obviously it wouldn't work in that way because it's a web-based application. So after choosing it, I'll go and upload it. After uploading, it will uh, prompt me a message that my upload has been completed and my file is uploaded and is accessible at this address. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy it up. Okay, copy, and then I'm going to go on to my web browser and I'm going to paste it over there. and after that it will just prompt the message that I've written in my file. It will show that I'm the author. Farhan is written over here. It will show my ID. It will show some data along with what I've written in the file. It was just a simple output line written on that file, and that was it. So this is the reflected cross-site scripting. Now I'm gonna go and show you how to upload a snippet. No, sorry, how to write a snippet, and that would be stored inside the database of the Gruyere Web, Google Gruyere Web. So I'm going to go on to new snippet, then I'm going to type in. As you can see, they mentioned over here that HTML is now supported in snippet form. Like you can write this B and then on mouse over is equals to alert. I'm just randomly writing few numbers over here so that would show these numbers to you on the screen. And now I'm going to write href is equals to hash, and then I'll write just demo over here, and then this backslash b because I've written b over here, and then this. And then when I'll submit it, it will show me that my demo is over here. It is showing 1, 2, 3, 4 over there. I've tried multiple times trying to write some code over here, but I most certainly failed doing that. I tried over here, didn't show anything. Maybe there was some flaw in the spacing or whatnot, as I'm not that particular about things. So as you can see, it's working. That you can add snippets, add some code, and it will show you all the files from the database that have been saved over here. So that was my whole demonstration of gaining access, and that would be it.